Amazon, the e-commerce giant, has transformed the way people shop online and has also opened up countless opportunities for individuals to make a substantial income by selling products on its platform. However, there's a secret strategy that allows you to generate a monthly income of $11,000 or more without ever selling a physical product on Amazon. In this video, we'll unveil this secret and show you how it can be your ticket to financial freedom. The Amazon Affiliate Program. The key to this lucrative opportunity lies in the Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates. This program enables individuals to earn commissions by promoting and driving sales for products listed on Amazon. Here's how it works. Sign up for Amazon Associates. To get started, sign up for the Amazon Associates program. It's free to join, and once approved, you'll gain access to a wide range of tools and resources to help you promote Amazon products. Choose a niche. Select a niche or topic that interests you and has a substantial audience. It's crucial to pick a niche you're passionate about, as it will make your efforts more enjoyable and sustainable. Create a website or blog. Building a website or blog is the foundation of this strategy. You'll use this platform to share valuable content related to your chosen niche. This content can be in the form of blog posts, product reviews, how-to guides, or any other format that provides value to your audience. Generate quality content. Focus on creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. Your goal is to establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Promote Amazon products. Within your content, incorporate affiliate links to relevant Amazon products. When your website visitors click on these links and make purchases, you earn a commission on each sale. Drive traffic. To maximize your earnings, you'll need to attract a steady flow of organic traffic to your website. This can be achieved through SEO optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, and other strategies. Analyze and optimize. Regularly monitor the performance of your affiliate links and content. Use analytics tools to track your conversions and make adjustments to optimize your earnings. Why this strategy works. The beauty of the Amazon Affiliate Program is that it allows you to earn commissions on a wide range of products without the hassle of inventory management, customer service, or shipping. Here's why this strategy is so effective. Diverse product range. Amazon offers millions of products in various categories. This diversity allows you to cater to a broad audience and explore different niches within your chosen topic. Trusted brand. Amazon is a globally recognized and trusted brand. When you promote products from Amazon, you leverage the trust and reliability associated with the platform. Passive income potential. Once you've created high-quality content and established a steady flow of traffic to your website, you can earn commissions passively. Your old content continues to generate income even when you're not actively working on it. Scalability. As your website grows and you gain more experience, you can scale up your efforts by creating more content, targeting new niches, or expanding your online presence.